Predeterminers. As the name said, the predeterminers are words and phrases that comes before determiners. They are used to modify and provide more information about those determiners and about a specific noun. You usually are going to find them before articles such as a or an, and they are divided into three categories. First, we have multipliers, which are words and phrases such as twice, 3 times, 5 times. It can also be 10 times, 8 times, any number that we can put in front of the word times. And we use those to specify the amount, to multiply the specified amount. We can also use to give a bigger size or to specify the amount of times in which an action had happened. For example, his burger is twice the size of mine. So in this case, we don't know specifically what's the size of this burger, but we know that it is 2 times, because of the word twice, bigger than mine. So we are using the multipliers to multiply the size of something. Another example, I raise my hand 10 times, they never call me. So we are using the multipliers to specify the amount in which an action happens. In this case, 10 times that I raise my hand. Then we have the opposite of the multipliers, which are the fractions. So we use words such as 1/3, half, and 3/4 to divide the size of something on or the amount of times that something happened. So we can use fractions in the same way that we use multipliers. For example, my boss will arrive in half an hour, so we are using half to divide the hour in 2 halves. Then we have his vision is 1/3 of what it's supposed to be, of what it should be. So we know that we are dividing the capacity of this vision 1/3 of a total capacity of 100%. And at last we have the intensifiers, which are words they would use to multiply or to divide the intensity of an emotion. When we are saying intensified, it can be used to give more intensity or less intensity. Emotions such as surprise, disappointment, joy, and sadness. So we use intensifier to give a bigger or a smaller intensity of these emotions. The words that we use for this are such, what, rather, and quite, and we can use all of these in the same way. So remember, these words per se, it doesn't convey or express an emotion. They are used to give more or less intensity to these emotions and to many others. For example, it's such a beautiful day. So we know that we are very pleased because this is a beautiful day, so we are using such to give a bigger intensity on how I am pleased of this beautiful day. We can also say what a beautiful day, and we are using the word what in the same way as such. Another example, and the opposite, to give less intensity to an emotion, it is rather a dumb idea. So I am a little disappointed about that idea. I think it's dumb. So the disappointment, I am giving more intensity to the intensifier, with the intensifiers. So remember, this word doesn't mean anything per se. They are used to multiply an emotion. We can also say what a dumb idea, or that it's quite a dumb idea, and we are multiplying how disappointed I am about this idea. That is everything about the English predeterminers. So as always, we are going to do some exercises on our group. See you on the next class.